Are you the type of person who wants to work in a dynamic and fast-paced environment? Hi, I'm Dr. Dwight Lucas, a business and technology professor here at DACC, and I teach graphic design. You may not notice it at first, but graphic design is all around us, so graphic designers have as good of a chance as any other profession to change how people see the world. We offer graphic design as a sequence in the Business Administrative Technology program. This is a 2-year program in which you learn business and graphic design skills. For instance, you will learn how to use Adobe Creative Suite apps and about business communication. This prepares students to go out into their field quickly with a large enough skill set to monetize their skills anywhere. So whether you want to work for a design firm or start up as a freelance designer, this program teaches you all the skills you need. If you are interested, please reach out to me. You can email me at dlucas@dac.edu or call me at 217-554-1658.